My New Enterprise is the brainchild of Dr. Mike Glauser, the Executive Director of the Clark Center for Entrepreneurship at the John M. Huntsman School of Business at Utah State University. Mike and his team now have over 30 years of combined experience studying and interviewing successful business builders and executives around the world to create training programs based on the findings, and we're continually out and about collecting new content. In the summer of 2014, the gang jumped in an RV and followed Mike across the country, fulfilling his dream of riding his bike from coast to coast while interviewing 100 entrepreneurs in 100 cities across America. The trip was even picked up by CNN Money, Forbes, Inc. Magazine, Entrepreneur.com, and now Entrepreneur Press is releasing Mike's third nationally published business book in the spring of 2016. The courses we create at My New Enterprise aren't taught by just Mike or our team. We let the entrepreneurs we have interviewed on camera do the teaching and share their secrets of success with you. Entrepreneurs like Justin Gold, founder of the Justin's brand, Bill Child, who grew and sold his business to Warren Buffett, Dave Neeleman, founder of JetBlue, and many, many more. In addition, we've created assessments and workbook exercises based on these topics that help you grow your business right here on Udemy. All you have to do now is click the Take This Course button to get started and watch your business grow.